Okay, is it just me or are you feeling like that day flew by? Oh my gosh, day 4 is at an end. Wow, I cannot believe it. We are flying through the content inside the summit. So, if you have not yet jumped into the Facebook group and connected with me, do so now and tell me how you're feeling. Tell me what you're learning. Tell me who your favorite speaker is. Really, let's have that conversation inside that Facebook group, facebook.com/groups/the Systems Lounge. Come on over, join the conversation. We definitely want to hear from you. We want to know how you're feeling. We want to know what you're learning. A couple of reminders about day 4. These videos will be available for 24 hours. So make sure you are watching those time clocks and going through that process in order. You also want to make sure that you are clicking on the links below these videos. This is a great opportunity to not only connect with the speakers and grab some of their freebies and resources, but it's also a great opportunity to learn about products and services that have helped me along the way. And I have provided those links for you just as an additional service because, hey, you're my peeps. Also, do not forget, if you're feeling a little overwhelmed and it's a lot of information, just go ahead and grab your All Access Pass. You are at the In Summit price right now, and this is the lowest you will see this price at all ever again. So grab that while you have that opportunity. And guys, it has been absolutely fabulous hanging out with you in day 4, and I will see you inside the summit. Bye, everyone.